Good afternoon, guys. Today we are coming to talk about Visme, a platform that is an online platform that is a platform that gives you the opportunity to create stunning visuals and also use these stunning visuals to educate and communicate better with your audience. So that is what Visme is all about. So Visme is an online tool. So before you can access Visme, you have to be online, you have to be connected to the internet. So I have here my browser. I've opened my Visme website, very nicely done. It's a very stunning website which creates anything, make it stand out, and Visme creates stunning visuals. So and visuals helps us to communicate better. So if you have a presentation that you need some stunning and beautiful visuals to help add to your work, to make your work stand out, this is the tool that I recommend for you. And it's an introductory video, so I don't want to take much time. There will be other videos on this app. So today we are coming to learn some small features about it and know what it entails. So the website is there for you to help if you are a marketer, if you are an educator, if you are an entrepreneur, for everyone. It's a website for everyone. So, and when you head to the create tab, you can use this platform, online platform, to create presentations, to keep your audience engaged. You can also create documents to formalize your brand, so create videos so that it can help improve your brand. You can create social media ads so that you can create stunning adverts that can captivate your audience. You can also create informational graphics, that is infographics. Infographics helps to share or to communicate better using graphics. Yes. So you can also have printables. That one is printable documents. So also charts, mockups, and there are also some features like you can generate an image from AI. It has an AI embedded in it, so you can also generate an image using AI. Flowchart is basically a sequence of diagrams used to solve a problem. So if you want to create a flowchart, if you want to add your photos to make your presentations better, if you want to integrate some files to your work, for example your presentations, this is the perfect online platform that you need. And because it is an online platform, that is one of the best ways, because it's online. So the concept or the graphics that you get are stunning and they will be perfect for your work. So let's head to the presentation tab, and if you want to create presentation, you click on the tool. A page, that page is like a canvas that you'll be able to access some tools for your work. So one thing about Visme that makes it very helpful is templates. Templates are there to help integrate your work. Sometimes you are caught up with time, and templates will be there so that you can easily preview it and also edit some, so that you can add your work to it, so your work will be complete. And based on the theme that you want, Visme has a whole lot of themes. It has modern theme. The theme, you search through the theme, you can get a perfect theme for your work. If you want to create a presentation for students, for education students, your students, is a perfect tool you need, because you can get that mileage for your work. because each and every theme will resonate to your work so that your work will stand out. So that is it. So that is basically for the presentation. You can also create a new presentation, provided you don't want the presentation, you want your own. You can create a new presentation for your work. So this is the AI generator. Visme can generate image from AI. One of the beautiful features from Visme, which I love and I also cherish. So when you head back to the home page, the home page, this is my project. That is, if you want to create a new project, if you prefer to start from the ground up, you want to create a new project from afresh, you'll be taken to this page. That is a whole new page that it can help you to create a new presentation. So I have here presentation template that I've worked on and I've done, and this is, so if you want to create a presentation, you click on projects. You can import your PowerPoint presentations from your local machine. You can also start your project, whether it's presentation, infographics, what you name it. So that is it. So Visme is cool. Visme is a perfect online standing app or standing page platform that for you. I recommend each and everyone to use this app to help fast track or help speed or help improve upon their visual or improve upon their communication and visuals, because it makes it helps makes your work stand out so that you communicate better. So that is all about Visme. Thank you for watching my video, and see you another time for another videos like this about Visme. Today this is an introductory video about Visme. So this is all about Visme. So there are other features that you can explore. So I urge each and everyone to go and explore the site, because the site has a lot for all of us. It doesn't matter who you are, the site is for all of us. Thank you for watching my video. You're welcome.